Imagine you're able to unlock all the hidden potential within you. You perform at peak levels in all areas of life. You'll be able to make significant contributions in your family, profession, society, and the nation at large. You will be called a superhuman. V-Roots stands to create such superhuman. V-Roots is all about the essence of life. However, our approach is deeply rooted in science. V-Roots revolve around the scientific reality that every person is unique, not just in appearance or in thought process, but in DNA level. That is why nutrition for one person can turn out to be toxin for others. Cardio exercise can strengthen someone's heart, while it can damage the heart muscles of someone else. V-Roots believes in high levels of personalization, personalized diet plan, personalized fitness plan, even personalized yoga and meditation. It is called personalized lifestyle modification using epigenetics. In fact, V-Roots is the first ever epigenetic lifestyle modification company in the world. A highly personalized lifestyle modification recommendation based on a proprietary genometabolic analysis with the support of artificial intelligence helps people to take charge of their health. To support their superhuman journey, we provide world-class wellness products. V-Roots products are a convergence of ancient wellness wisdom and modern scientific research. Our products stand on three pillars: purity, safety, and efficacy. Our mission is to create a superhuman movement, which is possible only when we add a human touch into the scientific wellness process. V-Roots have well-trained, certified lifestyle coaches and wellness consultants who handhold people in their journey to superhuman. V-Roots is in the forefront of next-generation wellness revolution to create superhumans who are empowered by science to ignite their infinite potential.
Happy morning, I'm Sandra, your host for this glorious event. I'm really excited to take you all to the world of youthfulness, high energy and peak performance, which is what V-Roots stands for. A very warm welcome to the grand launch event of V-Roots. Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Airbnb, Uber, Flipkart, they all have something in common. They're all now multi-billion-dollar conglomerates. More than that, they were all launched during the recession of 2008-2010. Now, we are all going through another global recession, probably the greatest ever because of the COVID-19 pandemic. And here emerges another futuristic company, V-Roots. Let's start the event with the address by the legendary entrepreneur, wellness evangelist and founder chairman of V-Roots, Mr. Sajeev Nair. It is my privilege to invite on stage Mr. Sajeev Nair to share with us the genesis of V-Roots.
Hello everyone, welcome to this wonderful launch event of V-Roots. I started my journey in wellness and direct selling almost 2 decades back. My journey with wellness started by selling nutritional supplements with one of the leading nutritional supplement brands in the world. However, when I started or co-founded a wellness hospital, my level of involvement in wellness got deeper. I could see the goodness and also the pain points associated with both these industries. In fact, in 2008, I started a management consulting firm by name Brahma. And through this, I could connect with 500 plus companies in various industries. And the kind of knowledge and experience I gained by the various business models and managing these different businesses has been really exponential. All this experience and all the knowledge which I gained from direct selling and also wellness industry, and also what I gained from the management consulting profession, which I am putting together and making a masterpiece, which is V-Roots. wanted to create an organization which can grow even beyond my life. That is what is getting fulfilled through V-Roots. Let me share with you what V-Roots stand for. In V-Roots, we believe that every human being has got infinite potential within him, and anybody can actually tap that infinite potential and perform at peak levels throughout his life. When I say peak levels of performance, that means having high energy levels, high productivity, high creativity throughout the life, and living a longer life and staying younger. These are things which are possible. That's what we call it as a superhuman life. So in short, in V-Roots, what we are visualizing is a superhuman life, which is possible for every single individual on this earth. You may wonder, how is this possible, a superhuman life? It is by biohacking, hacking your own biology, or rather hacking your own physiology and psychology, taking charge of your body and mind. At V-Roots, we are providing tools, methodologies, processes and science, and also teachings and trainings, so that anybody can biohack. That means anybody can take charge of his health and wellness. We call this as next generation wellness, or wellness 4.0. At V-Roots, we believe in personalization. We believe that once you personalize your food, you personalize your exercise patterns, you personalize even your yoga and the entire lifestyle, that is the time you can start hacking your own biology, hacking your own physiology and psychology. This is quite possible. That is what V-Roots make it possible. Let us understand a bit more deeper in terms of personalization. You all must have heard about keto diet, HIIT, that means high intensity interval training. These are kind of things which are quite common nowadays. And we all know that some people get into keto diet and achieving real good success, like they are losing weight. But at the same time, some people are actually getting killed by keto diet. You must have seen many people dying on the gym floor while doing cardiovascular exercises or some other exercises. So this very clearly shows that one person's food can be another person's poison. One person's exercise can be another person's death. Always keep this in mind. So personalization is the key. At V-Roots, we achieve this through EPLIMO, which is called personalized lifestyle modification using epigenetic science. To understand more about epigenetic lifestyle modification, or EPLIMO, please watch this video.
Hippocrates said, "One man's food is another man's poison. No fixed diet or fitness plans can make us reach our health goals." People are often misled with keto diet, vegan diet, paleo diet, cardio exercises, HIITs and many more. But the fundamentals never change. Personalized wellness plan is the answer. How do we achieve this? Our genes carry all the information about us. Our skin tone, shape of your lips, how tall you can grow, etc. In fact, these information are carried on from your parents and they get it from their parents. Our genes are the ones that drive us ahead and carry information about various lifestyle diseases. These can lead to genetic mutations and further expressed as deadly diseases like cancer, heart attack, etc. We all carry such potential dangers within ourselves. The only thing we can do is to make those mutated genes or sleep, or rather stop them from expressing. This process is called epigenetic management. A three-dimensional approach is required for it, which includes nutri-epigenetics, how food affects patterns of gene regulation; physio-epigenetics, how pervasive environmental factors such as exercise regulate the expression of genes; psycho-epigenetics, how psychological factors such as trauma, depression, etc. affects the gene regulation. V-Roots has created a highly scientific epigenetic lifestyle modification process called EPLIMO, based on the 3D approach. V-Roots also takes into account your present health conditions in defining your EPLIMO by using an online metabolic analysis powered by artificial intelligence. It is very simple. In fact, it only takes just 3 steps. Step 1. You can take a V-genome test, which is the most comprehensive genetic predisposition test available in the world. Step 2. Download the EPLIMO app and undergo a detailed metabolic analysis. Step 3. Receive your report followed by a detailed personalized epigenetic lifestyle modification plan created by a panel of doctors, geneticists, nutritionists and fitness experts. Aplimo recommendation will provide us with very detailed and highly personalized lifestyle management, including what food to eat and what to avoid, which nutritional supplements to consume, which type of exercise suits us and which type can harm our body. Our Aplimo can enhance our overall quality of life and support us to live long and stay young, physically and mentally. Welcome to the world of Aplimo.
We also have a range of precision nutrition supplements about which you will come to know in the next session. At VRoots, what we are doing is that we are converging the power of technology, converging the power of artificial intelligence and also genetics to help people to live long and stay young. This is truly a revolution. We call it as a superhuman movement, a revolution where we are actually helping people to live long and stay young. So for any revolution to happen, a movement has to happen. We call this movement as a superhuman movement, and we need all of you to join this movement, because then only this becomes a huge movement, a successful movement which can revolutionize the entire world. In order to facilitate and support you to join this movement and make it a big success, we have created a very unique business model which is an upgraded version of direct selling, about which I'm going to talk about in the last session. In fact, we have created an absolute disruption in the direct selling model. So stay tuned for more exciting information. The meanwhile, I need to bring here a very distinguished personality, a celebrity, a superstar, in fact a real superhuman. I just wanted to tell a small story. When we were thinking about VRoots and also we were thinking about superhuman movement, we were looking for a brand ambassador, someone who can endorse this entire movement. And we couldn't find anybody else other than Mr. Sunil Shetty, who is suitable for this. And when we approached him, after listening to the purpose, the philosophy and the values of VRoots and what we stand for, instead of becoming just a brand ambassador, he offered that why not I become a part of this movement. And that is our privilege, our honor to have Mr. Sunil Shetty on board with us in VRoots. His guidance and support in making VRoots a global brand and making this superhuman movement successful is invaluable. Here I'm going to bring Mr. Sunil Shetty right from Mumbai onto the screen. Hello Mr. Sunil, welcome to this wonderful launch event of VRoots. We are so privileged and honored to have you with us in the VRoots board. Let me ask you a question, Sunil. What really made you to take the decision to be part of VRoots?
Hi, Sajeev, and a big congratulations to you first of all, and good afternoon, good morning to everybody. Yeah, why did I become a part of VRoots? I think it was absolutely obvious why I would want to be a part of VRoots is because it is something that I've always believed in. It's something that I still believe in. That it is about keeping things simple, understanding one's DNA, understanding one's entire system before venturing out into anything. It's about being superhuman, not from a perspective of flying, but about being superhuman when it comes to living life. And reversal of age is something, the magic of something that everybody wants to know. So I think that's why, and only that's why. Yeah.
Thank you, Anna. Your words mean a lot to us. In fact, you have inspired us to think about and start moving ahead with the project of superhuman. And I consider, and the entire VRoots consider you as a leader of this tribe. So what is the message you wanted to give to your tribe or the group members, or rather the superhumans at this point of time?
What could I say? The message I'd like to share is one should read the book to know more, to understand how simple it is to be superhuman. Of course, simple doesn't mean it can happen just like that. A lot of discipline in life, a lot of understanding of the medium in life, understanding of food, understanding of basic exercises, and about living well. Preventive wellness is what the book is all about. Staying healthy is what the book is all about. Staying superhuman is what the book is about. So I think the best thing to do is probably read the book and know more and know everything about it.
That's very precise, Anna. As you know, in V-Roots, we believe in personalization, personalized food, personalized exercise, personalized yoga, and personalized lifestyle modification in short. What are your views on our epigenetic lifestyle modification, or EPLIMO?
I think it's the need of the hour for one to understand their own body, to understand their own genes, understand what is good for them, what is not good for them, by which you can avoid major calamities that can happen in your life, major problems that you could face with health. If one knows it, one understands it, one could lead a better life, a healthier life, helping people in their journey towards leading a healthy life. And I think it's the need of the hour. And I always say it's the need of the hour because I honestly believe that's the way I've led my life. I honestly believe I've been very, very focused when it comes to all this. I've had the discipline, but probably didn't know what was good for me or bad for me for a long time. Yeah, when you know what is good for you, what is better for you, what is best for you, why would you want to do anything any other way? So I think it's an absolute must.
Absolutely, Anna. Thank you for the great words and great wisdom. Let me ask you one last question. How do you see the future of V-Roots?
Huge. It's a necessity for everybody. It's very, very important that everybody understands it, everybody follows it, because it's simple, and in one way far, far cheaper than making the hospital rounds. Healthier. So when it works on your pocket and it works on your body, I don't think there's a better route to take than V-Roots, because simple and complete and extremely knowledgeable and educational. You learn so much about yourself and how to live better, healthier.
Thank you, Anna. We are so privileged and honored to have you with us in this movement. Thank you for taking your precious time for this launch event.
Not at all. Absolute pleasure. And when I know for the fact that the world is going to benefit, that's the least one can do. Thank you.
That was India's fitness and wellness icon for you. In fact, in coming future, you're going to have many such interactions with Mr. Sunil Shetty through V-Roots.
Thank you, Mr. Sunil Shetty and Mr. Sajeev Nair, for sharing your vision. Now we have our next speaker. He is young and an iconic startup entrepreneur. Let's welcome the co-founder and CEO of V-Roots, Mr. Aditya Narayanan.
Welcome all of you to the exciting new world of V-Roots. V means life, and Roots, as the name suggests, means roots itself. Hence, as the name depicts, we are connected with the roots of life in every aspect. Before moving ahead, let me take you all to our vision and mission. Our vision is to create the ultimate healthcare management ecosystem by providing epigenetic lifestyle modification recommendations using quantified self tools and artificial intelligence in order to help you to take charge of your biology and psychology to live long and stay young. Coming to our mission, we help people to live long and stay young by empowering them to take charge of their physiology and psychology using cutting-edge science and technology tools from genetics to artificial intelligence so as to create a very healthy and high-performing society. Let me also share with you our core values. Values are something which cannot be compromised, come what may. Transformation. All our products and services are designed and developed in a way that it ensures to bring positive transformation in people. Togetherness. We believe in growing with our stakeholders, be it our customers, be it our business associates or our employees. Whomever partner with us, we will ensure a win-win situation. Trust. We will uphold high levels of honesty and integrity in whatever we do. We believe that creating trust in the minds of people is our responsibility. Technology. We will always be in the cutting edge of technology. You can always expect us to be ahead of technology. Transparency. As people are the center point of our business, we will ensure that there's high levels of transparency in all our transactions. Let me also take this opportunity to introduce some solid science that has gone behind our products. All our products and services are designed and developed keeping the overall mission and purpose of the company. We are not a company who tries to sell anything that comes in our hand. Our focus areas will always be human performance, longevity and mental wellness. All our products stands on 3 pillars: safety, purity and efficacy. Just to give you an idea about the kind of deeper levels of science that we deal with, please watch this video on our patent pending Telomerex compound.
Do you feel older than you actually are? The reason lies in your chromosomes. Telomeres are caps at the end of our chromosomes, which shorten with each cell division. Telomere length shortens with age. Faster shortening of telomeres leads to more senescent cells, affecting the health and lifespan of an individual. V-Roots presents a patent-pending unique formula called the Telomerex, which slows down the shortening of telomeres and prolongs the aging process.
Let me take your attention to yet another video to give you a glimpse regarding the current range of products that we have. Our R&D team, comprising of doctors and researchers, are continuously in the process of making more and more products which are scientific and highly advanced. However, we focus on personalized lifestyle modification. Hence, we want our customers to start their wellness journey from Eplimo, which will be supported by our world-class products and services. Those who are interested in knowing more about our products and services may kindly connect with us, as it is difficult to explain in detail in today's event. Thank you so much, and we invite you all to start your superhuman life with V-Roots.
Are you all excited for our revolutionary products? I'm sure you would be. Since this is a launch meet, we can only share a glimpse of our products and services. You may kindly visit our website www.vroots.com and get more details. Now, I have the privilege of bringing on stage another key pillar of the company. He was a scientist with MS Swaminathan Research Foundation. Now he is the director and COO of V-Roots. Let's welcome Mr. Sajeev VP, who will be talking about the business model and expansion plans.
I welcome all of you to the Superhuman Movement. Now I'll explain to you this business model. V-Roots is a technology-driven company, be it the product or the services or the business model. We have the direct-to-customer model, and we also have the business-to-business model as well. We reach out to the entire nation through our e-commerce platform, vroots.com. All the products and services, including Eplimo, Saliva Kit, will be delivered to almost all pin codes in India to our logistic partner. As our products and services are highly specialized and unique, we find that intellectual distribution model or educative selling is the right one here. To take this forward, we are open to partner with people who are passionate in the space of wellness and people who also understand the purpose behind V-Roots. You can take this as a part-time or a full-time profession, and such business associates are considered as lifestyle consultants. This is a work from home or a self-employment option. We will provide a highly advanced virtual office, and we call this virtual office as VOHO. VOHO has training sessions on Eplimo, product, sales and social marketing. VOHO is loaded with various marketing tools, and hence you can create a customer base digitally. Lifestyle consultants will be supported by our genetics and product experts. A lifestyle consultant can earn more than 15,000 rupees with no upper limits. We have a very attractive incentive structure based on the business generated by you. Based on the performance of a lifestyle consultant, he or she will be promoted as a lifestyle advisor. And a lifestyle advisor will be able to leverage the time and effort by building a team. Company has allocated close to 50% of the gross revenue for the business associates, which is the highest in the direct selling industry. And those who are interested to partner with V-Roots in its purpose and the business model are welcome to visit www.vcommerce.com to get more details. In this way, V-Roots is an absolute convergence of personal and digital selling, or rather a high touch with high tech. This business model is absolutely innovative and highly disruptive. To give you more power about this business model, I invite back onto the stage the founder, the originator of this business model, Dr. Sajeev Nair. Welcome you, sir.
Hi, VP. Thank you, VP. I thank all of you for investing your time and energy for understanding the philosophy and purpose behind V-Roots. By this time, you must have understood what is Eplimo and the kind of cutting-edge technology what we are bringing in, the convergence of artificial intelligence and also genetics to help people to live long and stay young. Yes, we are truly next generation wellness, Wellness 4.0. Now let me share with you what kind of a disruptive business model we have, which can engage more people to participate in this movement called Superhuman Movement. As I told you, I have been associated with direct selling for the last 2 decades. So I know the pluses and minuses of this industry. What we have done is we have removed all the minuses and just focused on the pluses and created an absolutely innovative business model which is truly disruptive in the industry. One of the main minuses is the very low productivity in this industry. Direct selling industry, even after 25 years, last year was just $2.3 billion in this country. Just $2.3 billion, and more than 1 crore people are actively involved in this industry. That means the per person productivity is very low. What at V-Roots we are doing is that we are focusing on productivity. Why productivity is low? Just because most of the businesses which are happening in direct selling model is not real direct selling. They are moreover a consumer networking models. At V-Roots, we are supporting each and every person who is going to associate with us with an absolutely powerful technology-driven, digital-driven tool so that they can generate business and increase their productivity very easily. We are offering a minimum income for a starter so that they can grow and build this as a career if they really want. Another minus is the push marketing. Whether it is network marketing or insurance, when it comes to direct selling, people have got hesitation because there is a lot of push happening. At V-Roots, we are removing that push and actually introducing the pull marketing. We are empowering each and every person highly sophisticated digital tools by which they can create a pull in the market. And moreover, we are not just in sales. We are actually moving ahead with a purpose. We are moving ahead with certain philosophy. So those people who believe in the philosophy and those people who believe in the purpose, they are going to come and join and take our services and products. Hence, one can associate with us with absolute self-pride and posture. There are many features which are quite unique and really promising. In fact, we have brought in a completely disruptive business model which is highly leverageable. If you really wanted to make a career or even a fortune out of it, it is quite possible with V-Roots. If you have the passion for helping people to live longer and stay younger, if you have that passion to help people to become superhuman, come join the movement. To get more details about our partner program, please visit www.vcommerce.com. Thank you for investing your valuable time. I also thank you for all the blessings you are showering on us. Thank you.